So let's make sure you have everything here. You need to have a Stadia controller connected to a Chromebook with the latest Chrome OS and a USB Type-C cable. And you need to go to stadia.google.com/controller, and you have to make sure that it detects you there. So then when it detects the controller, you go and click connect. So once you click connect, then it will allow you to go through the process. So once you click connect here, I slowed down the video on this purpose because I went too fast on this recording. You click connect. So once you allow it to connect, it will say Chrome verified your Stadia controller. So this is a very important step. There's 4 steps for this process as it shows on the website. So once you have connected it, you press on the blue button on the bottom right of your screen on your computer, and you click on continue. And then you have to follow these instructions. You have to unplug your controller to power it off, hold the 3 dots while plugging in your controller, and you also have to press the 3 dots, the Stadia button, and A and Y at the same time. So you press those at the same time, but nothing will happen when you do it. So you have to make sure that you just do it once, and then you download the Bluetooth mode update to get started. So you click on that blue button, and then it'll change into a different name. So you click on that different name up there. That's right. Come on, go. So you click on that, and then you click connect, and then you go and install Bluetooth mode. So you go and allow install Bluetooth mode here. And then once you do that, you select the different name of the controller on the screen right here, and then you click on connect. And then once you're done, it will allow you to install the update as you go through it here. The update should not take very long. So once you get that update done, you're good to go. Once you have completed the installation process, it'll ask you to press Y plus the Stadia button for 2 seconds until the status light turns orange. It'll allow you to detect other devices. Flashing orange means pairing, flashing white means connecting, solid white means connected, and that's it. That is the pairing process for your Bluetooth Stadia controller.